welcome back to my channel, and today we'll be learning how to make the most amazing chocolate chip cookies, so let's get started. The ingredients and supplies you'll be needing are measuring spoons, a whisk, 2 bowls of your choice, one smaller than the other, vanilla extract, 2 eggs, a measuring cup and butter, baking soda, spatula, brown sugar, cornstarch, granulated sugar, self-rising flour, and of course chocolate chips. Needing 1 cup of melted butter, and if they're salted, no worry. If they're unsalted, you'll be needing to add 1 teaspoon of salt later on. In a large bowl, you'll be needing to add 1 cup of brown sugar, half a cup of granulated sugar, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. When your butter has cooled, add that in as well. And start mixing. Once you're almost done with mixing, then you can add the 2 eggs. Now blend it all together. In a smaller bowl, it is time to add the dry ingredients. You're going to be needing 2 1/4 cup of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 2 teaspoons of corn flour, and if your butter was unsalted, 1 teaspoon of salt. Pour in the mixture in the wet ingredients and mix until it feels like dough. Once you're all done adding it in, the dough should look something like this. Now for the best part, it's time to add 1 1/2 cups of chocolate chips. Tip: if your arm is not aching and about to fall off right now, you did not do a good job mixing. Once you're done, cover the bowl with saran wrap and put it in the fridge for at least 2 hours, or even better, overnight.
3 hours later.
Preheat your oven to 175 degrees Celsius before doing anything else. Take your dough out and also 2 cookie trays. Then put a layer of wax paper on top of them so they don't stick. And using the little spoon, measure out a couple of balls and put them on each tray, and do this for all of them. Then, when you're ready, put them in the oven and set the timer for 15 minutes and watch them rise. Take them out of the oven and look how good these look. They're nice, puffy, and goldeny brown on the edges. Let them cool before tasting them. Now these are the best cookies I've ever had. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe and like for more videos, and comment down what you want to see next. Bye!